Hi everyone, Cherrybelle here. I'm going to be talking about the website I use to figure out whether there's news or not before I trade. So if you look at the top, forexfactory.com, that's the website I use. If you scroll down, you see that there's the date and pretty much you see the pair and whatever news is there. I don't really mind the yellow and orange folders. What we do worry about is the red folder, because the red folder is pretty much just letting you know that it's a very heavy news. That's why it's red. So if you scroll up, you'll see the date and it'll have the two arrows next to it. So when you click the right arrow, it's gonna take you to the next day and show you the news for the next day. If you click the left arrow, it's gonna take you to the previous day and show you the news back then. All right, everyone, that is all for today. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button for more notifications. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.